My name is Arthur Zlatanov, and this is my presentation on how to manage a team meeting. We will start with the participants. We have me as a manager and the team leaders of operations, sales, customer support, IT systems, and HR training. Now that you know the participants, let's move to the agenda. The meeting is short and the agenda is straightforward. The first item on the agenda is highlights from last week, where each team leader shares information and updates from his or her own department. The second item is focusing on the current issues for this week. And lastly, we will discuss the eventual problems and challenges with alignment on improving strategies. We will start with a very simple round-robin activity where each of the team leaders will write on an index card what they think is the biggest strength and the biggest weakness of the company. At the end of the meeting, we will see if anyone will change their mind. The meeting starts with the team leader of operations, and he explained that he discovered a problem with the equipment, found the cause, and fixed it. The only thing was it unfortunately created downtime because of some of the equipment needed maintenance and repair. He ensured that everything should be fine and we will be on track next week. Next up is the team leader of sales. He informs us that sales are slightly down and that his team is looking into the issue. The reason is not yet known, but he suspects that it is a miscommunication between the sales and customer support departments. The team leader of customer support confirms the suspicion and explains that they have 2 new staff members still in training and that there has been a high volume of calls which resulted in longer response times and slowed sales as a result. He proposes that senior staff is assigned to handle the calls for the time being while the matter is resolved and until the training of the new staff is completed. Team leader of IT systems informs all participants that his team is in the final stages of beta testing and that after several upgrades we will have improved efficiency, security, and reduced response times. Last but not least, we have the HR and training team leader that confirms training materials will be provided and that they will oversee the whole process of training. Based on the results from some surveys, she found some areas of concern: poor communication between some departments and certain work overload issues. After hearing from each team leader, I conclude the round-robin activity by asking if any team leader changed their mind about their strengths and weaknesses based on what we heard from other colleagues. I emphasized how important communication is and promised to work to improve efficiency and effectiveness. I thanked sales and customer support teams for collaboration and their attempts to improve communication in order to solve problems. I also praised the HR and training and IT system teams for their creativity and hard work. I complimented the operations team for their diligence and attention to detail. I finished the meeting with the hope that progress reports next week will be very optimistic.